Continuing on, I want to mention that these springs are extremely hard, and before you can drill a hole and form it, you need to soften it. And how do you make something soft? You heat it up with a torch and let it cool down lightly. So I'm going to heat this up. Actually, I'm going to put some gloves on before I heat it up because I don't want my hands burning. So I'm going to heat it up. And then I'm going to let it cool down slowly. To make it hard again, which you're going to have to do, you heat it up and then you quench it in water, which will make it hard. So there you see it turning red. So now I'm gonna let it cool down slowly, and that will soften it. And then I will drill a hole, make that notch in it, and then I will heat it back up and quench it in water. Again, heating it up, let it cool slowly, softens the metal. Heating it up, quenching it in water, hardens the metal. This spring is a hard material, and you can't drill in it. What will happen, you will break it. It will break on you as you are doing this thing. So again, I'm going to let it cool down and then I'll be able to work with it. I hope you all are enjoying this video. Please hit the subscribe button.